we're going for a walk. You coming? You coming? The boys are looking for big sticks. Kyrie's got his taped up. Oh, we got a truck blocking the road. We're gonna have to go around.
Oh, I found enough now. Never mind, I can't.
Be careful now. You hurt your belly. Put the boots back up, baby. What is it? On a tree? Kai, be careful, son. Booty boots. Look at all the birdies. You see them? Huh? Yeah, got baby.
Alright.
What they doing over there?
Huh?
Are they coming? We can finish our walk. You got a lucky rock?
I had a yellow one.
Don't step in the water. You can put your stick in there. Don't step in it with your foot. You fishing? You fishing? All right, come on. Let's keep walking. So, Kyrie, I decided on what bird we should feed. Bamboos hold a lot of water.
You can turn it into nonsense.
So we were going to go to the library, but because it looks like it's going to rain, the weather app says it's not going to rain. It's not showing rain, but we have rain clouds. And it's a little windy, so we're just going to go for a nice little stroll down like we did the last time. But turn around and come back, and then maybe another day we'll go to the library when it's a little sunny. They went in the hen house. They're cold. Yeah. Yay!